Hello guys, and welcome back to another coding show of codetap, the second one for today. I'm your host Marian, and today we want to do some updates to our previously ended online resume. So with that said, let's clear this and say npm start. And wait for it to open. So this is our project. So some quick fixes. Let's see about it. Firstly, when it was on landscape mode like that, this show message didn't previously worked. So there's a quick fix for it. Let me make sure that the webcam is not stopping anything. Okay, so let's firstly resize it, go into the landscape CSS, which is this one over here, and all the way down there is a landscape checked. So we are changing the top to 100% over here, and then we have two more rules. Those rules are changing the landscape message show to display block and landscape message hide to display none. However, over here we have this already declared. So what we want to do is to move those two rules inside the landscape checked condition. So we want, when the landscape is checked, those rules to be applied. So let's see now. If we click, see hide message, show message, it works. So that was a quick fix. Okay, some other fixes. Let's look a bit into it. This button over here sticks exactly to the bottom of our about me link list. So maybe let's quickly see if adding some padding to this list would fix it. So about me link list. Okay, and padding 1 rem. Let's do just padding bottom for the moment. Okay, so that fixed it. It looks a bit nicer. And on top of that, let's do something fun. So we saved everything. Let's also commit it. Quick fixes to about me and show hide button. Okay, I've committed it. I've also synced it. On top of that, let's do something else, something fun, I was saying. So let's open a new terminal, and let me bring this window a bit up. Yeah. So let's open a new terminal by pressing this plus button over here. And in this new terminal, we want to type npm run deploy. So that's npm run deploy, and press enter. What this will do is it will compile the project. It will build the project for the client. So it will minimize HTML, it will minimize CSS, it will compress images and so on. It will prepare it to be loaded as quickly as possible. It will put it in one folder, and this folder is going to be committed to a branch named GH pages on GitHub automatically, and those changes will be pushed to that branch. So once we do that, let me show you what we want to achieve. So if we go on github.com, and this is where our project is. Our project is on github.com/codetap.io/mycv. Okay, so let's grab this, and basically this is github.com, and we want to change it into github.io. Okay, and this codetap.io is your username. Okay, so whatever your username is, it's instead of this codetap.io, and this my CV is your project name. Okay, so what I'll do is duplicate this line. So I was saying we want to change this into GitHub.io, then we want to cut and remove one of those slashes. We cut it your username, my username is codetap.io, and add it to the front of it. So basically that's all we have to do. Move this one in front of github.com, make github.com github.io, and that's it. So basically you morph this string into this one, okay? You transform it into that one. With this string copied, let's copy it, and go back over here and paste it. So suddenly we have our project online on github.io. So if you are to visit this project, you can already do it, and if you want to share this project with some friends, just give them that link, codetap.io .github.io/mycv. In your case, it will be your username .github.io / your project name. So that's all you have to do to deploy your project to GitHub. You say npm run deploy, and your project becomes online without knowing anything about uploading, network interfaces, domains, name servers, and so many more that come along with setting up a domain name and so on. It's a quick trick. Of course, you can have your own domain. I'm just saying that you can easily put any project built with PackStarter online. So that was a quick update. Now, if there are any questions, do let me know. There are only 3 users online, so not many of you. And now there are 2. Well, I guess I'll be wrapping this quite quickly, because if there are no users to ask questions, I'm basically done with my changes. I'm done with my fixes. Now this button sits nicely. We fixed this one to say show and hide. I've also added some padding over here to those ones. So if you look into the SCSS, there is some padding to the description. Anyway, the commit is in GitHub. So if you look into the commit, you'll see the changes. Let's see. So there's a padding button here, then those ones are over here, and it looks nicer. That's it. Any questions, guys? Anyone online that wants to address a question? Well, even if you drop a question and I miss it, I'll answer it on offline. So thank you for watching this quick fix, and you've learned today how to deploy your project to GitHub without knowing anything about setting up a domain name. That was me. Happy coding and create something awesome.